In this problem, we write an equation of the line given the graph. Now, there are two different equations to look at that, I mean, there's more than two, but there's two, there's the point slope that I gave in class, and then there's the slope intercept. The point slope's a good one. However, I always like the final answer in the y equals mx plus b, which is the slope intercept form. Now the thing is that what is m? M is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Because this line has a y-intercept that I can just read off, I am going to start off with this form. So here we can see that b is equal to 1. Just like a freebie. I mean, you have to know where to look, but it's just right there. Okay, the next part is find the slope. Well, the slope is given by rise over run. Now, for this problem, I think that we could just look at it, possibly, I think so, and find the slope. What I need are 2 points on the graph that that have integer coordinates. And so I looked and I saw, okay, here's this one, -3, -1. I was stopping for a moment to think, maybe I'll put it on this side. Okay. Why am I going to do that? Because I want to make a little right triangle here. I'm going to make a little tiny right triangle. And then from that right triangle, I'm going to count this rise over run stuff. Now, first of all, I mean, not first, but still, look, this graph is increasing from left to right. It's increasing. The line's increasing. So therefore, we should have a positive slope. So whatever our answer is, it should be positive. But also, I can count that to the rise, the amount that I'm going up by is 2, and the run, which is the amount I'm going to the right by, is 3. So this is going to equal 2 over 3. But a longer way would be to take the difference of these x coordinates and the difference of the y coordinates. It doesn't matter which one you decide to be x1 and y1, etc. You just, one of them will do. Okay, so let's see. I can take, and the numerator is the difference of the y's, so I'll do y minus -1. It's a little bit tricky to read all this stuff, but I have 1. I don't know what I said. What I meant to say is 1 minus -1. So I have those two purple being the y coordinates, and then I'll divide by 0 minus -3. Now I have to be consistent. Whichever one I pick to be the first point, the x1, y1. So in this case, it was the one that's higher up on the right. So I did 1 coming first, subtracting -1. Then I do 0, that comes first, minus -3. And the answer then is 1/3. Oh, oh my goodness. Adding wrong, that's not good. So I get 2/3. So I'm ready to go. So I have m is 2/3. And I write y equals mx plus b once more. So therefore y equals 2/3 x plus 1. And to find the slope, I did it by looking at the picture, and I did it by using the formula of rise over run, where I plot points. I put points into a formula. That's our answer. Section 2.1, number 41, Openstax Precalculus.